Today we're gonna try Xijiang in Sanxia. There's a lot going on here, as you can see. There's a big festival for Ghost Month. They're blessing the neighborhoods. Pretty cool. But yeah, we should be ready to go try these noodles. Let's try. Oh, wow. Oh my god. I can't believe how big this place is. I'll go in? No, I want to go in where the air. Ooh, this place is. Yeah. Right here is good. Ooh, dumpling and noodle soup.
You recording it? I just like it. Yeah, you want to try beef noodle, right?
Beef noodle?
Yeah. The dry noodle and tofu.
Tofu.
And
what is this? Wait. Okay. Go ahead, that's fine. Tofu. Really good, delicious. I'm trying to think. Maybe it's a good view here. I'm not really sure. Probably not. Over here. Let's try it. What are these things? Is this churro? Churro, ma. Churro, whole tofu. A little sour, kind of sour but sweet. I like the sauce; it's really good. Just a little bit. Really soft. Oh my gosh, this sauce is so good. With rice, I feel like it would be so good. Yeah, sauce is very good. It's really good tofu. Right, so we just got all the food.
Yeah, spicy dumpling. This one and this one.
中文。
红油抄手。干面。然后干莲汤。
Ginger soup.
And 牛肉面。
Ooh, look at that. All right, which one should we try first? I don't know. All right, let's just lay it down. Oh, I can't.
Do you check the encode is good?
I'm not sure. It doesn't matter, right? It's okay, right? I'm too hungry. I'm like, whatever. Look at this. Alright, let's check it out. Alright. Look at this. Handmade noodles. Fatty beef. So I've been on this like hunt for, I've been like looking for good beef noodles for a long time now.
That's why I
Let's try it. Let's try the soup. I don't know how to do it. Ready? Like that. I think it's good. I don't know. Ready? Is that peanut butter noodles?
I think it's sauce.
The broth is really good. Yeah, it's really good. Try it. I'll wait after. Wow. Yeah, like the broth is really like kind of clear, pretty clear for beef noodle soup, but it's really good. It's like light, but has a lot of flavor. Oh wow, that's good.
I feel like I ordered too much.
Check out the marble beef. So awesome. That's really good. Some of those fatty pieces. That's so good. I actually really like it a lot. I really like the broth of this one. Like, you know, the broth to me is just like one of the most important things, you know, of course, for beef noodle soup. It's so good. Wow. Alright, next we're gonna try these. I don't know, what's this called again? Gamian. So there's noodles there.
You like it?
It's really good. Kind of has a little bit of a chalk texture, like kind of dry and peanut butter, creamy.
Sesame.
Yeah, the sesame has like a peanut butter like feel. What do you think about that? It's really hot. What do you think about the soup?
Yeah, I know what you mean, like pretty clear.
Yeah.
Like it's not like have a lot of like heavy flavor. It's not spicy. Pretty good.
It's very clean, you know. It tastes very fresh. The noodles are also really good too. And the meat. It's all kind of the same one, the fat beef. Fatty beef.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down because I'm hungry. Actually, one more. I want to try the dumplings. I want to try the dumpling.
Spicy one?
Look at that spicy dumplings. Okay, let's give it a go.
And you should get the 1 to 10 score.
Yeah. This one right here. I give the soup. I give the soup broth. Like, it's really clean. It's perfect for how I'm feeling right now. I'd say the soup broth is like 9. It's so good, you know. It's not so heavy. It's light, but it has a lot of good beef, clean beef flavor. You know, I could eat like a whole bowl and not be tired of it. So I think it's like 8.5, 9. It's so good. The noodles are awesome. I'll give the noodles also like 9. And the meat is really soft and it's fat. So I'm gonna give it 9. I'll give this one a 9. Yeah, I'll give it 9 out of 10. So good, man.
Really high.
Really good. What about you? Do 3 things.
I like the soup and meat and noodle also. But for me, I like just like it's really good, but not to 9. Maybe just like 7 or 8.
Yeah. Dang, now I feel like I went too high. But actually, it's really good.
Yeah, it's really good. How about that one?
I'll give this one like, it's really good, really nice.
I like this one.
It's really good.
A lot. Like really soft, actually.
I'll give this one, okay, this one I'll go 8, okay? 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
Okay.
No, I'll go 9, okay? I'll stay with 9 because I believe that actually that's a really good one. This one, I would say I would say 8 out of 10. But I haven't had many of these, so I think it's really good. So I would say 8.5 out of 10. What about the tofu? I would give
9.
You like the tofu that much?
Yes.
9? Really good.
Yeah,
I won't go that high, but I'll go still 8 out of 10. And those are really good.
I didn't
but
try it
I don't
yet.
know. I would say that that's just kind of normal.
Really?
Yeah, maybe like
I get 1.
6 out of 10.
Really?
And I haven't tried this yet, but we'll see. There's some ginger soup. We'll try this one. Ginger soup. I don't know what's this gonna be like. Got fresh pieces of ginger. Some. Are you sure it's pork?
Yeah.
It looks like beef.
No, it's pork.
Oh really? Ginger slices. Really good clear broth soup. Pretty tasty. I'm not a huge ginger fan, but it's I feel like this soup will get over your sickness really well. Those like kind of extra pieces of skin and meat. It's delicious. Really simple. That's really good. I'll try that. Alright, just a closer look inside the dumpling. It's kind of flat rolled. Flat dumpling. We've got chili oil that's a little bit spicy and a little vinegary. Pretty good. Almost done with this here. I'm not sure if they make these noodles here. If these are handmade or not. I don't know. Do you think these noodles are handmade? Yeah? Pretty good noodles. Alright. There's so many different foods here. But I really like it. It's pretty good.
It's very good.
I haven't eaten all day, so I'm pretty hungry. But the name of the restaurant is 食匠. So if you want to eat 食匠 and have some really good noodles, recommend this place. It's really good. I like it. It's really comfortable in here too. I would say the food was the restaurant. I would give it a 10. I mean, for me, 7.5 out of 10.